Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys? I'm doing good, and we're ready to go with the Plan With Me design group from February 4th to February 10th. And yeah, I'm gonna use this mini kit from SaraElizabethPrints. It was Hot Cocoa is the name of it. Hauled this a while ago, but it is currently snowing where I live, which I think is happening for a lot of people in the northern part of the US. So it's red, it's snow, there's candy canes, but we'll just pretend we don't see those. But I felt like, even though it's cold and everything, I feel like this kit will be good for this week. Just because of the reds, and it's, you know, we're leading up to Valentine's Day, so we will see. But the kit includes 8 full boxes. This is on her high quality mat. This is your functional sidebar, all that good jazz, date covers, sidebar headers and bottom washi, and then glitter headers, functional deco, flags, movie marquee, and a weekend banner. So that is the kit. Let me show you how last week turned out. Turned out so pretty. Let me zoom out just a touch. So pastel. This was Snowman Kisses from BriannaNicoleDesignz, and it is absolutely adorable. It came together so well, and it's so pastel and so just cute and sweet, and was a really good transition, I think, from January to February. So I enjoyed it. But let's jump into this week, and any links for anybody will be down below in the description box, including the Plan With Me Design Group Facebook page and a blog post that includes everyone in the group. So if you have any questions, just let me know down below and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. But let's jump into this video, and I will talk to you guys again at the end. So here we go. Alrighty, so that wraps it up for this week's Plan With Me design group collaboration Plan With Me. And I love how it came out, and I feel like it's so fitting. It's like winter, but also reds for Valentine's, and you know, coming into that, you know, all the things that I love, coffee and cake. So anyway, it's hot chocolate technically. It's hot cocoa is the name of the kit. But baby, it is cold outside. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm just going to show you really quick here. I put the extra sheet of the few stickers I had left from the mini kit up here in this folder, and because of that I have 3 empty sheets, which is always awesome. So the date dots were from BriannaNicoleDesignz. The Pearl the Penguins are from BriannaNicoleDesignz. The kit's from SaraElizabethPrints, and the film and upload scripts are from TempLovesCrafts. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out the Plan With Me design group down below, and I will catch up with you guys again real soon. Much love to all of you. Bye for now.